You can be in control of your life. Your attitudes are totally under your control. However, the majority of people do not seem to realise that fact. They come up with the old excuse, I can't help it. That's the way I am. It's great mystery to me why people choose to get angry as often as they do. Most people would say they do not choose to be angry. Something happens that makes them so. I'm not responsible. Blame the idiot at the front of the queue. It's not my fault. I'm angry. It's their fault. Reflect on this. Who made the person angry? They did it themselves, but they don't know it. It's their instinctive response when they do not get what they want. But it does not have to be that way. And if you think about it, if your parents were at each other's throat and arguing all the time, that is all you knew. So you think that's normal. You think it's normal to argue with people. I'm going to tell you, you can't have a positive attitude and be miserable, because those two states are incompatible. If you're miserable or negative, can I ask you to check your attitude? We're going to go through now a logical sequence. Stage 1, something happens. Stage 2, what happens next is you interpret the events. Stage 3, the situation is analysed and it's filtered through your beliefs and your attitudes. Stage 4, you have an emotional response. Stage 5, you're more likely than not, you express it in a physical reaction. You either get angry or upset. And that sequence, those 5 sequences, take a millisecond to process. It happens so quickly, you do not realise what is happening. It happens so fast, you don't understand that your attitude has hijacked the situation and influenced your response. It's the same response that somebody does, that's something that makes you angry. You say, they made me angry, but they did not. You have interpreted the information and applied your negative thinking, which is also goes wrong for me. It always goes wrong for me. I'm not lucky. It's not fair. All aspects of negative attitude. To convert this, you need to actively re-include your attitude into your thought process. You must actively engage your attitude so that when something bad happens, you remind yourself you are in a position, a positive position, and a positive person. That what is happening or may be happening is under your control. That your thoughts and feelings and attitudes are. You make a conscious decision and tell yourself, I'm not going to let this upset me. I'm certainly not going to let this get me angry. So let's be clear here. Your attitude is something you have. It's either positively good or negatively bad. If it's negative, make a conscious effort to change. If it's already good and positive, brilliant. That's amazing. Well done. So William James said, human beings, by changing their inner attitude, their minds can change the outer aspects of their lives. So in finishing, your life will change much more quickly when you apply the outlook of a positive attitude. The moment you choose to become neutral, to take the action that will make yourself and other people feel positive. Have a great day, and I will catch you on the next broadcast. Bye for now.